For question 22, we have a binomial times a trinomial. So when we had a binomial, or two terms, times another binomial, or another two terms, that was four different multiplications that we had to consider. So here we have a binomial, which is two terms, times a trinomial, which is three terms. So that's actually six different multiplications that we need to consider. So I need to multiply the x by all three of these. Then I need to multiply the 7 by all three of these, and then I need to combine like terms. So the x multiplied by all three is going to be x cubed, then plus 2x squared, then minus 6x. The 7, it's going to be 7x squared. I like to write that underneath the other x squared. But if you just want to put that off to the side like this, you could. You'll get the same answer. So then 7 times 2x is going to be 14x. And then 7 times negative 6 is going to be minus 42. So if I add these up, I'm going to have x cubed plus 9x squared plus 8x minus 42.